Hello all, welcome and welcome back to both my channels. As most of you know, I do product reviews for feelookart on two different channels. They're up on the screen there. So today is, wait a minute, I forgot his name. Featuring officially licensed diamond painting kits from artist Tabs Jones. So let's see what I picked out. I picked out a very colorful one this month. And I hope everybody likes it. And I hope everybody checks out my links below so you can find out how much you can get for it. You can also get it 10% off or something like that by using my affiliate code. Everything is down below. This is actually quite heavy. So I know there's a lot of diamonds in here. Oof. Sorry about that noise. Oh, I'll show that later. It actually comes with stickers that you can put on your containers. It's not bad. I gotta change my glasses out. And it has 38 colors. And it comes with a sticker of what the diamond art painting is. It does come with a card, but I'm going to put that in a short. And it comes with all this. Date, completion date, stuff like that. Let me put this in wrong. Okay. I got all stuck. I'm going to do the same thing I normally do. Ooh. I don't know. If you want me to show them individually like I normally do, let me know. Because I really don't feel like taking it apart today, or at least not right now. This is the kit you get for doing all your work. Your basic kit. And you still get that too. And this is wax that you put in the little pen. And that's the pink wax. And you get white wax. Comes already loaded for you. Still got the purple tweezers. Little baggies. There's some wax for you. More little baggies. have so many kits, it's ridiculous. And not just from feelookart. I wonder when they're gonna brand their tweezers. They could always start a collection of different colors. That'd be great. Okay. Now for the piece itself. And this is a big one. I couldn't find the page where I could pick and choose a size. They need to fix a few things. Okay, we'll start with the details here. 60 by 80 centimeters by 43.6 by 31.5. That's the design itself. Fabric is 68 by 88, 26.8 by 34.8. Tabs Jones. Eco-friendly, responsible canvas, doesn't bleed, no waste, no compromise. Made to last, made with care. And you can find them on Facebook. It actually does have 38 colors. And it's a nice soft canvas, scalloped the side so it doesn't fray. And yes, this is really big. I think this is one of the biggest ones I've had. It's called Dreaming in Colors. I really do wish I had a way to show it off without getting rid of everything. It's huge. I will probably do a short, and so we can get the full size in there. So there's a lot of confetti in here. The legend is nice and clear. Come on. I actually don't know if you can see that. Everything on here is pretty much clear. Ooh, they look kind of small. I wonder if the mini drills or not. I don't know. We're gonna have to take a look at the drills later. But there is a lot of confetti. I'd say it's about half and half for color blocking and confetti. I normally don't do people, but I don't know what the rest of the stuff was because I couldn't find his page. Let's see how the stick is. It's pretty good, and the cover sheet is nice and thick. And if you're in the big colors, yeah, go ahead and get this one. This will certainly keep you busy. Okay, that's it for now. I'll probably do everything else on a short. So If you like what I did, if you like what I'm doing, don't forget to like, share, hype, subscribe, hit that bell. And if you wish to do more, please consider going to my About section. Okay, one and all. Have a great day. Namaste.